This is the Mercedes-Benz C200 AMG Cabriolet 19 plate. Price range for these luxury cars are going from £30,000. So I had this car hired out for 2 days now, and I thought, why not give you guys a quick look around. Seats are made out of fabric and leather. Bottom of the headrest there is an air vent. To jump in at the back, pull this lever and slide the seat forward. Normally these two-door cars don't have much leg room, but as long as it's comfy, it will definitely give you a good ride. Air vents at the back also. A good sized cup holder compartments. Right on the driver's side door you will find these controls for the boot, windows, central lock, side mirrors and heated seats. You got your media control on the steering wheel. Your dashboard. To start the engine, press down on the brakes and press start. The headlights control knob is on the right. Now this car is automatic and your gear controls are on the right handle. To toggle in drive, reverse or press in for park. Indicators and wipers are on the left. Your media screen can be controlled by the buttons near your armrest. You can toggle through tracks, navigation, or make a call via Bluetooth. Beneath your armrest you have a good sized compartment, and inside you have 2 USB slots and an SD card slot. Now to open the roof, press on the brakes and lift up this center button. All windows and doors must be shut before applying this feature. Reversing will show the rear camera with a guide. Sensors are on the front and the back of this car, so if an object gets too close, it will warn you. Click and hold the boot button to open. As you can see, it's an adequate size boot for a convertible. This car runs on petrol. Now to open the bonnet there is a lever underneath here. Overall guys, this looks immaculate. I've drove this car for 2 days now. Beautiful smooth drive. Took me 10 minutes to figure out all the controls of the car. Can't wait to drive this car again. Take care guys, peace.